Hello everyone, so we have a little guest here today. This is my 2-year-old. What's your name? This is Clara. She wanted to be in my video. She kept seeing me record and she really wanted to help, didn't you? Did you want to help Mama?
Yes.
Yes. So today we have the Allure Beauty Box. We're going to unbox this for you all. This was in my mailbox for 2 days and I didn't know that it was in my mailbox, so I am going to hope that things inside it didn't melt in the Arizona sun, because that would be very sad. If you guys are new, hey, my name is Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave, and then also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in my Allure Beauty Box, then just keep watching. Alright, if you guys don't know what Allure Beauty Box is, it is, I believe, $15 a month, and then I think you have to pay a couple dollars in taxes. So I believe I paid around $16 for this box. You get sample size items in here. Occasionally I think you can get full size items, so it just is beauty. You want me to open it? She's impatient. Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
You want to hold that?
Yes.
Okay, so you get a little pamphlet inside that talks about all of the things that are in the box. So here is this month's box. So I'm just going to get started. I am going to pull the first thing I'm seeing on top, which is the original makeup eraser. It says it's the #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. So I'm just gonna open this on up. It's really cute. It has little mermaid girls on it.
What is it?
It's a makeup remover. So basically you just get this wet with water. You want to smell it?
Yes, awesome.
So here it is. So yeah, it is just a little sample, just a little square. That's funny. So basically you just get it wet with water and then wipe off your makeup. You did get a little card here. This is 25% off. Use the coupon code JUSTWATER. So if you go to themakeup-eraser.com, you can use that. Yeah, it just says put on your heaviest makeup, simply wet, and your pre-wash sample with water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. And in circular motions, gently remove mascara, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and more. It is really soft, so I'll have to test it out. Maybe if I really, really like it, I'll get the full size. The full size of the makeup eraser is $20. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, which I'm super excited about, this is the Nude Sticks Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. This is in the shade J Mama. J Mama for a mama. Huh.
Oh.
Should we open it?
Yes, I'm opening it in the mouth.
She begs me to put makeup on, huh? You ask all the time. Ooh, and that is a really pretty color. Oh, I love this. I'm so excited. This is just a really pretty... You want it? This is so pretty. You want to smell it? Here. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just a really pretty nude, a really pretty pinky brown nude, and I have a feeling I'm going to be wearing this all the time. This is full size as well. So this is $24. If you enter the promo code ALLURE10, you can receive 10% off. Did you just rub that all over your face?
Yes.
Let me see. I don't see it, so you're okay. This is full size, which is awesome. So $24 product in a $15 box. So I am really, really excited for this. If this was the only thing I got in the box, I'd probably be super happy. So she has the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Defense. It is, I'm pretty sure this is just a sunscreen. It says broad spectrum SPF 30 on it. It's a sheer daily sunscreen that delivers powerful UV protection and guarding against premature signs of aging. So in Arizona, I need all the help I can get with sunscreen, especially for this little one. Oh, geez. apparently it comes out the top. I'm not sure I'm a fan of that packaging. So yeah, you just twist the top and it opens up. I mean, it's cool. I wasn't expecting that. So it's just a fun little sample to have, and Drunk Elephant is a pretty expensive brand. So a full size of this retails for $34. Right, the next thing that she's got, let's show them. This is the Skin Fix Foaming Clay Cleanser. The full size of this retails for $20. So this is a clay to foam cleanser. It's blended with our mineral-rich Healthy Skin Clay Complex. As no sulfates, synthetic fragrance, soy, gluten, dairy, dyes, or parabens. So it's just a cleanser. It goes from a clay to a foam, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's actually a pretty decent size sample too. It's a fluid ounce. So I'm actually really excited to try it. It does say 99% natural. So that's cool too. All right, the last thing I have in here is the Biosance. The Biosance, I have no idea how to say this. This is a retinol serum. It reduces visible lines and wrinkles. So you do 2 pumps onto a clean face, put it on your face and neck morning and night, followed by a moisturizer. And the full size of this retails for $95. It's a lot of money. So basically it says it makes the skin dewy on the spot, gives a pretty glow. Also says that a portion of the proceeds go to Zagaya. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's a nonprofit committee to eradicating malaria, which is awesome. When you buy it, proceeds go to a really good cause as well. So I'm just gonna open up this little box. So it just comes in a little bottle like this. You do receive a fluid ounce, which I think is awesome. I'm actually really impressed with the sample sizes in here because I feel like with a fluid ounce, I can really test it out and see if I like it. A lot of other subscription boxes just get these teeny tiny little samples that you can maybe get 1 or 2 uses out of. I feel like you could actually get several uses out of this and actually test out to see how you like it or not. So I am excited to try this. I currently don't have any serums in my skincare routine. This will be a good thing to add to it, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. All right, that is it. That's everything in our box, Clara.
Okay.
She's having fun sitting here playing with the little paper in the box. So overall, I am actually really happy about this month, mostly because I'm really excited about the nude stick. I think this shade is gorgeous. It's full size. I'm so excited for this. I'm excited for the serum. I know that I'll use the cleanser. The cloth is just like whatever. It looks like they just took it and cut it apart. But that's fine. I can try it out. If I like it, I can buy it. So it's a good, little sample of it. And then the sunscreen will be really great to put into my diaper bag if we ever go anywhere that I think that I need to put sunscreen on myself or my little one and then my baby. Especially now we have a playground in our backyard and she loves to go out there and play. And as it's getting hotter in Arizona and, all that crazy stuff, this will be great to put on her really quick before she runs outside and you won't get any sunburns. That is it for our video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You're crazy. I'm a sassy princess.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes, yes.